Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I'm sure you didn't miss me, right? So, do you remember what was the last story that I told you? Yes, it was about a cloud of trash. But today, I'm going to tell you a story about a fruit. No, it's not the apple, it's the banana. And I'm sure you all like eating bananas. So, should we start the story? But how does the story start? Does any one of you know? Once upon a time. So once upon a time, there was a man and his name was Sringeri Srinivas. Can you repeat the name after me? Sringeri Srinivas. And Sringeri Srinivas was a very hard-working farmer. He used to work in the fields and he used to live with his wife and children in a small little hut. But Sringeri Srinivas was not happy. He was sad because nobody wanted his bananas. And he grew lots and lots and lots and lots of ripe and tasty bananas. But nobody wanted them. Not his family, not his friends, not his neighbors, not the traders who could sell it in the market, and not even his cows. So what was Sringeri to do with so many bananas in his farm? Then one day he started to think. His wife told him, "Sringeri, why are you so sad? It's okay." But Sringeri told her, what am I going to do with so many bananas? I can't throw them. They are so tasty. He was having a really bad time. So then, after lots and lots of thinking, he got an idea. And he thought of going to the farmer's center in the nearby city called Dodaru. What was the name of the city? Dodaru. So then the next morning, he packed up all the best bananas he had and he went to Dodaru. When Sringeri Srinivas came back from the city, he was happy. Yes. And he again started to grow all the bananas in his farm. He continued to do hard work. The people in the village were curious. They thought, where did all the bananas go? What is Sringeri doing with the bananas? But Sringeri did not tell anything to anybody. He kept quiet. And he was enjoying himself. He did not give the bananas to his family, to his friends, to his neighbors, to his traders, and not even his cows. So one day, his neighbor Shivanna arranged for a very big puja, and the priest asked Shivanna to get 108 bananas. So Shivanna was worried. Where was he supposed to get so many bananas in such a short time? The puja was tomorrow, that is the next day. So then instantly he ran off to Sringeri and he said, "Sringeri, please help me. I am so sorry that I said no to your bananas. I have a big puja tomorrow and the priest is asking for 108 bananas. Please help me." Sringeri tapped his chin and he said, "See, Shivanna, my crop is already cut, but I will see what I can do. You can start the puja tomorrow. I will surely come." Now the next day, the puja started. The whole village came to watch and the priest started to chant. Yes. Everyone was gathered there. Now it was time to offer the bananas. That very moment, Sringeri walked into the puja with a big bag over his shoulder. Everyone looked at Sringeri. Sringeri was walking with full confidence. He took off the bag off his shoulder, he opened the bag, and he took out boxes out of the bag. On each box it was written, high quality banana halwa, SS Farms. And every packet was packed very nicely in banana leaves. Sringeri kept the packets in front of the fire. Every packet had a pulp of 4 bananas, and there were a total of 27 bananas. So how many bananas were there? 108 bananas. So every packet had a pulp of 4 bananas, and there were 27 packets. So it makes a total of 108 bananas. Just what Shivanna wanted. The priest was so surprised that he forgot to chant. There was silence. And there was a little girl who started to laugh and clap, and so did everyone in the puja. Now everyone knew what Sringeri did with his ripe, tasty bananas. He took all the bananas of the farm to the city called Dodaru, and then there in a factory they made halwa, high quality halwa from the bananas, and Sringeri was earning good money out of it, and the bananas were putting to use to a good purpose. Everyone ate the tasty halwa and enjoyed it. So with this we come to the end of the story, which was called Too Many Bananas. But before I end here, I would like to share few facts about bananas. Do you know that India is the largest producer of bananas in the whole world? And how healthy bananas are? They are rich in minerals, and they make your brain really sharp, and they make your body active. So I'm sure you all will start eating bananas from now on, or at least try, right? Thank you.